Repurposing your Instagram content for other platforms. Hey there, everybody. Using Instagram as a platform to publish your content and grow your online presence will help you reach and engage an audience that you'll hardly find somewhere else. But you can take your reach further by repurposing your Instagram content on other channels. This strategy is called cross-promoting, and it allows you to leverage your existing Instagram content to engage users on other social media platforms and to create backlinks to your Instagram account on those platforms. In this lesson, we are going to show you the right way to repurpose Instagram content on top social media channels. On Facebook. All right, folks, let's start on Facebook. What we'll do on Facebook and on the rest of platforms we'll show is simply to take content from one of our Instagram posts, which includes the image, copy, and hashtags, so we can use it on a post that we'll create there. With that in mind, go to your Facebook account and enter the business page where you'll publish your post. Next, click on the Write a Post field. What you'll do here is to simply enter the text from your caption on the Instagram post. Now, one thing worth noting is that character limits don't work the same on other platforms as they do on Instagram. And while you compose long-form captions for Facebook posts, the idea is to create teaser-type posts to encourage people to click on your Instagram link to check the original post there. One trick that works great is to open this post with headline text. This is simply a title that you'll use to catch the attention of the user. In this example, we're going to open with a question related to the product that we are promoting on the Instagram post. Next, you are going to add your post caption. This can be a segment of your Instagram caption, a description of your Instagram post, or a shorter variation of the same caption. In this example, we are going to describe the content of the original Instagram post. After you enter your headline and text, add a call to action and a shortened link to the original Instagram post. As you can see here, Facebook will generate a cool-looking preview of your post by pulling your featured image or video into the post, as well as the name of your account and publication date. Lastly, add your hashtags at the end of the post, right below the call to action and URL. Then click on Post to finish. On Twitter. Twitter is a crazy engaging platform that can funnel lots of visits to your Instagram posts and profile. The structure of a Twitter post is going to be similar to what we created on Facebook. Start by going to your Twitter account. Then click on the Tweet button. Here you are going to apply the same strategy we applied on Facebook. You just have to be careful not to go over the character limit, which is 280 characters. This means that you have to compose a shorter caption this time, so you can leave space for your URL and hashtags. Okay, so let's start by composing the headline. Here you can use the exact same headline that you used on Facebook, as it is going to have the same effect. Now you are going to add the post text. You can use the same text that you use on Facebook as long as it is short form. Otherwise, you can simply add a call to action to encourage users to check the original post on Instagram. We'll do that in this example, so you can see how easy it is. Here we'll simply compose a call to action to invite users to find lots of answers to the question in our headline over at Instagram. Then we are going to add the shortened post URL. Now you have to add your hashtags. There are two smart ways to use hashtags on Twitter. First, you can use keywords in your copy as hashtags. Simply find a keyword that is relevant to the post. Then add a hash symbol right before it, like this. The second way is to add the hashtags at the end of your text, like this. Lastly, click on the gallery icon to upload the image or video that you used in your original Instagram post. Now that you've fully created your repurposed post, click on Tweet to publish it. Using Instagram Live for a product reveal. Hey there, everybody. Promoting your products and other branded stuff on Instagram is great for business. And there is a very entertaining, very engaging way to do it that your audience will love. We're talking about doing product reveals on Instagram Live, Instagram's built-in live streaming feature that will allow you to showcase your products and to interact with potential customers in real time. In this lesson, we're going to show you how to easily go live on Instagram and how to set up a product reveal broadcast. Getting started. Going live on Instagram is a very straightforward process that won't require you to set up complicated live streaming software or super sophisticated streaming equipment. In fact, all you'll need is a good cell phone with a good camera and a good internet connection. To go live on Instagram, start by opening the app on your device. Then tap on the camera icon in the upper left corner. Next, select Live. Going live. To go live, you will simply have to tap on the Live button. Now, there are some settings that you can adjust before going live. First, tap on the settings icon in the upper left corner. Here you can select to hide your live session. We don't recommend you to use this feature for marketing purposes, so let's move to the following settings. In Allow Message Replies, you can select who can message you and reply during your live session. Here we recommend that you use the default Everyone setting. Now you can select how to save your live session. Enable Save to Camera Roll if you want to save your live session to your phone. This is a useful feature that you can enable in case you want to share your video on other platforms such as Twitter or YouTube. You can also enable Save to Archive to save your live session to your Instagram archive instead of your phone. Next, you can adjust sharing. Here, we recommend you to enable all default sharing settings. This way, you can reshare your live session in the Stories section, allowing users to share your live session as a message, and share your live session as a story on your connected Facebook page. Once you have configured your live settings, tap on Done. Before going live, you can also select whether to go live in normal mode, or you can select to go live using a filter. For this example, we are going to go live in normal mode. Now that we're ready to go live, we simply have to tap on the Live button. During live. Once you tap Live, you'll get a message to let you know that your connection was successful and that you are live now. A cool thing that Instagram does when you go live is to show all your followers a notification on the upper side of the screen telling them that you are going live. We recommend you to schedule your live sessions in advance so you can announce your live reveal events across all your social channels. When you do a product reveal, you have to prepare your presentation and to have a sample or demo ready to tease the product on screen when possible. Let's assume you prepared your presentation the right way. So let's take a quick look at what you can do while you're live. First, you can tap on the gallery icon to share an image or video during your reveal. When you select an image or video, it will fill your background. This will allow you to show images or videos about the product that you are revealing and to use them for our presentation, like we're doing here. This is because you can select one image first, then another, in a way that is similar to a webinar. You can also share comments with your attendees by sweeping up. In the case of a product reveal, you can use this function to share your product launch page or product sales page URL. Your attendees will start asking questions at some point, and you can tap on the questions icon to see their questions regarding your product. A couple more functions worth checking are the direct messaging and go live with icons. The direct message function allows you to send a direct message or invitation to other accounts while you're live, and the go live with feature allows you to go live with any of your viewers. Once you are ready to finish your live reveal, simply tap on End, then Confirm. You can then tap on Share to Story, so your live session is added to your stories for 24 hours. And that's it, my friends. A great way to drive interest in your products while you interact with your followers in real time. Promoting a Facebook post on your Instagram account. Hey there, friends. So far, we've been walking you through the right ways to use Instagram for marketing, step by step. Most of these strategies will help you to grow steadily and to stay relevant, but there's going to be a point where you'll need to scale. The best, fastest way to scale is to run paid campaigns to promote your content. Luckily, Instagram integrates with the Facebook ads platform, one of the most widely used advertising platforms on the planet. In this lesson, we are going to show you how to get started using this platform by promoting a Facebook post from your business page on your Instagram account. Getting started. The first step is to access the Facebook ads platform. You can do this by visiting the facebook.com/ads manager URL while logged into your Facebook account. This will take you to the Ads Manager page, where you can create and manage Facebook ad campaigns that have outreach on the Instagram network. Creating the campaign. To create a Facebook ads campaign, start by clicking on the Create Ad button. You will be prompted to select the marketing objective on the following page. Because you are going to create a campaign to promote a page post from your Facebook page on Instagram, select Engagement as a marketing objective for this campaign. Now select Post Engagement as your objective. Then, enter the name to save this campaign into the campaign name field. Now click on the Set Up Ad Account button. What you'll do now is to select your account country, your currency, and your time zone. Make your selections and click on Continue. Setting up your campaign. Now it is time to set up your ad campaign settings. This includes setting up your ad set, audience, placements, budget, and schedule. Let's start by entering the name of this campaign's ad set into the ad set name field. Let's now move to the audience section. Here you are going to select your target audience, demographics, and attributes. Start by clicking on the edit icon in the location section to select the locations where you want to show your ads. Here you simply have to enter the name of a location that you want to target into the Add More Locations field. Then select the location from the results. You can add as many locations as you want. Now click on the Edit button corresponding to age to select the minimum age and the maximum age of people that you want to see your ads. You can also click on the Edit button corresponding to gender to select a specific gender. This is useful when you want to advertise something to a specific gender. For example, if you are going to advertise custom automotive parts, it is better to select male as your target gender. Or if you are going to advertise makeup products, it is better to select female as your target gender. In this case, we are going to leave the default all genders setting as our target. Now click on the Edit button corresponding to Detailed Targeting. Here you can select more detailed criteria that will help you target the perfect prospect. This includes demographic attributes, interests, and behaviors. All you have to do is to enter a keyword into the Detailed Targeting field, and then to select an item from the results. You can add as many attributes as you want to target. Lastly, click on Show More Options. Then click on the Edit button corresponding to languages. Now enter the language or languages that you want to target. Make sure to always target the same languages you use to create content. Once you are done defining your audience, move to the Placement section. The automatic setting allows you to promote your post across multiple placements that includes Facebook, Instagram, and other networks. But because the goal is to focus the budget for this campaign to promote a post on Instagram, you have to select Manual Placements. Next, deselect all placements except Instagram. Let's now move to the Budget and Schedule section. Here you are going to set your budget and your ad schedule. Start by selecting Daily Budget as your budget type. Next, enter your daily budget amount into the Budget field. Here you can start with a daily budget as low as $5 and scale as you see fit. When it comes to the start and duration of your campaigns, you can select to run my ad set continuously starting today to promote your post right away, and to stop the campaign manually later on. Or you can select Set a Start and End Date to schedule when to start and when to stop promoting your post. In this example, we're going to select the Run My Ad Set continuously starting today. Once you're done setting this up, click on Continue. Setting up the ad and launching the campaign. Now it is time to set up your ad. Start by entering the name to save this ad into the Add Name field. Now move to the Identity section. Click on the Facebook page menu button and select the Facebook page that is connected to your Instagram account. You'll see your Instagram username below in the Instagram account section. Now you're going to click on the Use Existing Post tab below. Move to the Creative section and click on Select Post. You will see a list of all Facebook posts on your page. All you have to do now is to click on the post that you want to promote, and then to click on Continue. Your selected post will load as the ad creative, and you will see a preview on the right column of this section. And now that your ad is ready, you will simply have to click on the Confirm button to submit your campaign. It will start running from 5 to 10 minutes after you submit it.